Döveceğim ben. Dövüyorum böyle. Aa.
What's wrong?
What the fuck? Don't flip!
Oh my goodness, you alright?
Not allowed on the bed, you. No!
De la cintura y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir en los brazos.
Questi bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo!
Officer, how you doing? Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir? Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
My hand is big, right? Now you see how far apart these are, like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you don't know how to fucking jump!
Döveceğim ben. Dövüyorum böyle. Aa.
Woody, I'm so hungry I can eat a dog.
Oh, and then what is this? Oh, that fits right fucking there.
Wow.
Is this the vet? Oh yeah, for Sam? Yeah, I'll take her right now. Is she gonna get shot?
What the Don't flip!
Alright, show us how you go down the stairs.
Go again. That's it. Go.
Excuse me?
3, 2, 1. It's me and the girls.
You want some cookies? Okay.
The base.
Scooby? No.
No bite.
3, 2, 1. Jeez.
Go down these items tomorrow. Naming 0. Don't put that.
You tired?
No bite. Oh shit.
Paw. Give me a motherfucking paw. Give me the fucking paw. Paw. Good boy.
Honestly, bro, I should have known better. Like, who cops a guard dog on Facebook Marketplace? Look at him. He's not guarding.
Excuse me?
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
Blue! No. No, sir. Hey, you can't be doing that to Harvey. No, he can't roll over.
Ow! Oh, 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 oh.
Sometimes when we're home alone, me and Bae like to sing.
Stanley, what in the...
Paw. Thanks, Jasper.
What are you looking at? What do you mean it's small? It's not small, you're a dick!
He looks so cute.
Lesbians. Oops. Hi! Hi!
Like,
Oh, oh.
La postura.
Roddy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eating your food.
Leo! Leo! No! No!
Mama. Excuse me? Ma'am? Okay.
Toby's biting.
How about the longer darn door?
where are you two? You're gonna go in timeout if you keep it up. Do you understand me? No. Go. 5, 4, 3.
I'm not taking you outside. It's too hot for you. I said it's too hot.
¿Por qué hiciste del baño otra vez? Acabo de limpiar y ya andas de pinche cochina.
That's a lot.
Like,
Oh, oh.
Dai, bene, non te la faccio più, dai, non te la faccio più, dai, basta troppo adesso. La postura.
if you're happy and you know it, say I will.
How the fuck did y'all get on the roof? Are y'all serious?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my goodness, you alright?
I can't walk. Whoa.
Whoa!
He's gonna bite you, bro.
Questi gatti. Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo.
I'm ready for adoption? Hell no.
Quit. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
So you know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
No, hey, you have your own bed. Remember how nice it is? Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will.
Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you. Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Roscoe, you cannot have both. You need to share. You need to share. No. No. You need to share.
No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Bailey. Bailey.
Go.
Where'd you go?
Right down the road.
Right down the road? Oh, right there, the bridge.
Yeah, or no, the Harris Road. The past that, past the drive.
Hey, buddy, you want to come on up? Come on, honey. What? Where did he go? I thought he was going to come cuddle. Aww. Oh, he went to go get the cat.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Parkour!
Bring your butt here.
It's me and the girls.
Part 2.
I love
Thinking process of trial and error. I found out we went.
Scooby. No. She. Oh.
No bite.
No. 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 No.
Oh shit.
Aren't you supposed to do something?
Bite of it.
Excuse me. Mila! 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 Quit!
Oh. 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 Oh.
Blue! No. No, sir. Hey, you can't be doing that to Harvey. No, he can't roll over.
Ow.
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?
Pa. Thanks, Jasper.
Stanley, what in the...
Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, my God! Go inside!
He looks so cute.
What is going on in front of us? What is going on?
Just a regular day driving around with...
To put the finishing touches on this match. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What is...
Can't get woo woo woo.
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael! Help!
Fue a esto.
Not working. Mitzi. No. Starden, burden, harden, back.
What?
Made me leave work and take you to the neighborhood on a dog.
Come here.
$25? Taking us for the telling you.
Like to kiss you on the mouth, and so how do you feel? What do you think about that?
Cause you only need the light when it's burning low.
We're talking Teletubbies. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and motherfucking Poe.
This Airbnb has the smallest oven, bro. Oh, dude.
This little fucker is a rogue U.S. military asset and a danger to public safety. NORAD has deployed Reaper drones.
Fascinating. I never suspected such things could be.
Hey, Penny, do you happen to know who's sneaking the food before their walk?
I know. If you did.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
Y'all pulled up on me, I would've seen y'all niggas, I was outside.
Hell?
When I turn around, I see this. Hella studious. Look at this studious ass fool. Damn, this was studious.
Hi, Herbert. Hi, Herbert. Hi, Herbert.
Ahlelele ahlelas. Ahlelele ahlelas. Ahlelele ahlelas. Ahlelele ahlelas. Ahlelele ahlelas.
Ready? Good night.
Давай, дубль 2 нормально сделай. Тигр.